So before we start, gusto ko muna marinig nyo ang background music na to. Yes, kung batang 90s ka, I'm sure makaka-relate ka at alam mo kung ano ang show na gumagamit ng ganitong background music. Tama, it's Battle of the Brains. So yung mga panahong yon, alam ko na isa rin kayo sa mga nag-aabang at nagsosolve sa mga math problems, sumasagot sa mga tanong ni David Celdran. So on my part, so I usually prepare paper and pen or pencil at inaabangan ko yung mga sciences or math questions. So medyo zero ako sa mga history at saka yung arts. Pagdating sa history and arts, so as in talagang wala akong nasasagot. Pero sa mga sciences, paminsan-minsan nakakatsamba. If there were around 4 questions sa sciences, so normally nakakadalawa or isa ako. So, yung show was released 1992, I guess. And it ran until 2000. So, basically, nung high school hanggang college, so, meron Battle of the Brains. So, nung high school, syempre, hindi pa naman ganun kalawak yung exposure natin sa math. So, sa math and sciences. Pero may nasasagot man naman, like sa math siguro kung 4 yun, nakakadalawa or nakakatatlo or kung minsan isa. So depende kung college level yan or high school level. So yun, I came across with this video sa YouTube. So I thought of consolidating yung mga math problems and show you guys yung mga solution kung bakit nakuha yung mga sagot na yun sa mga questions sa math. So I hope you will join me, guys. So yala, let's go. So as I've said, guys, no, we will try to solve yung mga math questions sa Battle of the Brains. So ang nakita nating video sa YouTube is fortunately the grand finals ng 1994 ng high school at saka college level. So hindi ko makita yung easy round ng high school. So we will go directly sa average round. So again, pinili lang natin yung mga math questions. So hindi ko kaya talagang sagutin yung mga history, literature, at saka yung sa arts. So yung mga math questions lang natin ang nasasagot natin. So we will show you the solution kung paano sila nag-arrive sa answer na yun. So for each math questions. So let's see the first question on average round.
The three sides of a triangular lot are in the ratio of 3:4:5. If its perimeter is 120 meters, what is its area in square meters? Once more.
Okay, so yung first question is they are asking for the area of the triangle, pero ang given would be the ratio of the side of the triangle. So it's not specified kung yung triangle is a right triangle, but kung titignan mo yung ratio ng each side, actually you can conclude that it's a right triangle. So kung mapapansin nyo, the ratio of the sides of the triangle is 3:4:5. So kung meron kang triangle which has a ratio of 3:4:5, so that means it's a right triangle. Kasi yung 3 square plus 4 square, so it's 25. The square root of that will give you 5. So yung hypotenuse mo is equal to your a squared plus b squared. So this is just to test kung right triangle yung given na triangle, kasi it was not specified in the problem. So 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So that is 25, and this is 9 plus 16, so 25 is equal to 25. So our triangle is a right triangle. Now the ratio of each side is 3:5, which gives us the perimeter of 120. So that means 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 120. Now you have 12x here. If you will add them, 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 120. So x is equal to 10. So therefore, each side of the triangle is 30, 40, and 50. But we are asked to find the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 of your base and height. So kung yung area mo is 1/2 base is 30 and your height is 40. So the area of the triangle now is, this is 30 times 40, that's 1,200 divided by 2, that is 600 square, ano ba yung unit niya? Meter? Square meter. So yan yung sagot sa tanong na yan. So the answer is 600 square meter. Another solution on that is if the given triangle is not a right triangle. So you can use this formula like area is equal to the square root of s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Ano ba yung s dito? Where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. So kung kukunin natin yung s dito, would be like a is 30 plus b is 40 and then c is 50. So divided by 2. So meron kang s value here which is, that's 120, 60. Okay, so substitute the value dun sa area natin. So again, if you are in a quiz show or quiz bee, so this would take a lot of time. So usually you will do mental math. So for the sake of our video only, so I'm showing you step by step kung paano isolve yung problem na ganun. So that is 60, that's S, and then 60 minus A, that is 60 minus 30, then 60 minus 40, and then 60 minus 50. So area is equal to the square root of, so 60 times 30, 60 minus 30 is 30, 60 minus 40 is 20. So 50x, that means the how many correct answers he answered times 50 minus the wrong answers 30y, wherein he got 520 pesos. So if you will try to eliminate x here, so what's being asked is how many correct answers he got. So we'll try to eliminate y. So eliminate natin yung y. If you will multiply that by 30, so that means you have 30x plus 30y is equal to 600, and then 50x minus 30y is equal to 520. So eliminate natin yung y. So if you will add the two equations, you'll get 80x is equal to 1120. So x is equal now to, if you will divide 1120 divided by 80, so you'll get an answer which is equal to 14. So the guy answered 14 correct
14 answers.
answers.
Saint Mary.
14.
Okay. Praise Christian.
14 questions correctly.
The answer is 14.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
So let's see the next question.
Alpha is equal to sine 2 alpha. What is the measure of alpha in degrees? If cosine alpha is equal to is equal to sine 2 alpha.
So the question is in trigonometry. So it says like, if cosine alpha daw is equal to sine 2 alpha. Okay? So cosine alpha is equal to sine 2 alpha. So yung basic concept here would be like, I think if you will watch yung all-in edition natin, so I discuss some of the points there on how to solve problems like this. So if I have like sine 20, this will be equal to cosine 70. Okay, so just check on the pattern. So like if sine 25, this will be cosine 65, or the other way around. If I have cosine 25, this will be sine 65. Okay, or cosine 10, this will be sine 80. Sorry. In other words, for sine and cosine to be equal, their total angle should be 90, right? And if I have 10 here on the cosine, I should get 80 on the sine. So again, the total angle should always be 90. So in this case, if you have alpha and 2 alpha, so to get the alpha there, so you have alpha plus 2 alpha is equal now to 90. So 3 alpha is equal to 90. So alpha then is equal to 90 divided by 3. So that means alpha is equal to 30 degrees.
Alpha is equal
So the answer sa problem na
Oliver?
to is alpha is equal to
Alfonso?
30 degrees.
Alfonso is
Okay? So medyo malawak yung math. So but normally I'm sure yung mga nagbibigay ng exam sa mga ganitong klaseng quiz show, so kino-consider nila din nila yung time limit na binibigay, and also tinitest din kung gaano ka-strong yung mga estudyante as far as their stock knowledge or yung math skills is concerned. So this type of problem can be solved in less than a minute or within 30 minutes if you know the basic of your trigonometry or yung relationship between cosine and sine. Okay? So let's watch the other video.
algebraic expression gives the cost of n shirts if 4.5 dozen shirts cost p pesos. So the variables are n and p. What algebraic expression gives the cost of n?
The next problem is also, I think, in algebra. So again, ang challenge sa mga ganitong mahabang problems is how to express them algebraically. So ang tinatanong dito would be the cost of n shirt daw, n number of shirts. So we are given like yung given natin is there were 4.5 dozen of shirts at P price. Okay, So that means 4.5. So if I want to get the price of each shirt, so 4.5, that is 4 times 12 and a half dozen, that is 6. So you have a total of 54 shirts, right? I'm sorry, shirts. So kung 54 shirts yan, so the cost per shirt is equal now to P over 54. Okay? So this is the cost per shirt. Now, if you want to get
Answers?
the cost
N is equal to 4.5
of n
times
number of
12
shirts or n number of
Just
shirts,
take notes.
so
Keep it up.
cost of
Archie, keep it up.
n
Oliver,
shirts,
let's see your answer.
this will be now like
N over
P times
P over
n
9. Alfonso?
over
NP over
54. So yun yung
Only Alfonso is
sagot
correct.
dyan sa
NP over
problem
54.
na yun. That's it for the meantime. So we will continue to solve the rest of the math problem. I hope you will subscribe, watch of course, and like and hit the notification bell for you to get updated on our succeeding videos. Until next time guys, bye-bye!